our unique prepping community and welcome to another episode of Unique's Adventures. On today's episode I'm going to show you some of my camping trip that my family and I took over the 4th of July weekend. To begin by showing you my tent. To thank Nicole for getting me this nice set of coloring pencils and books that come in the little gray carrying case. Nice to have because it's lightweight and easy to travel with. I also want to thank Mrs. Fred for getting me the new pad to sleep on. It's a high-peak sleeping pad, 76.7 inches tall by 25.6 inches wide. It has a built-in foot pump to inflate it. Yeah, I rolled off it a couple times during the nights to get comfortable, but this pad is definitely comfortable and a huge upgrade from my last one. Thank you again you two for supporting this channel and my camping journey. Now I want to show you some of the scenery of where we camped for the weekend. It was in a secluded area with a river north of the campsite. It was surrounded by blue spruce trees as well, so that definitely helped with shade and me not getting sunburned. We have to get into this camp area is by dirt bike, and I ride in a cart that the dirt bike pulls. Maybe I'll show guys how that works the next time. Thank you for coming with me on this adventure and I love you all. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Stay prepared. Stay unique and God bless.
In a world full of noise where the fear runs deep, you've been fighting alone, losing sleep. But here we stand with a light, with a plan. Together we rise, yeah, we take a stand. Storms may come and times get rough, but you're stronger than the world thinks tough enough. We've got your back no matter how far. You're a fighter, a thinker, a prepping star. You're not alone, we're all in this ride. Unique Prepping's here standing right by your side. So hit that like, let your voice be heard. Subscribe, comment, share the word. Check the gear, check your soul. Our sponsors help you stay in control. Prepared, aware, never outdone. We fight together till the battle